Let me show you how to create this amazing photo manipulation in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+N to create a new document. Let's give a name of the document. Follow the settings. Download image. Link in the description. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust the image accordingly. File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Now decrease the opacity. Now adjust image's size and position accordingly. Increase the opacity to 100%. Now hide the top layer. Select Elliptical Marquee tool. Now draw a circle by holding Alt+Shift. Unhide the top layer. Add a layer mask. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Right-click and delete the layer mask. Hold Alt and click on Layer Mask. Select Brush tool. Choose Soft Round Brush. Now decrease the flow 50%. Make sure foreground color is white. Go to Color Lookup Adjustments layer. Crisp_warm.look. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.